Hello students, welcome to Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Indore. Here I am Kritika Sharma and today we will discuss about drug store and business management. Firstly, I explain what is a drug store and business management. The Pharmacy Council of India has introduced a new subject is a drug store and the business management. The syllabus is divided into two parts. First is commerce and second is accountancy. The commerce, that means the aspect of the business activity which concern with the distribution of the goods and services produced by the industry. And the accountants means is the measurement, processing and communication of financial and non-financial information of economic entities such as business and cooperation. The purpose of the subject is familiarize the student with basic concept of the business and its proper management and source of finance. The business activities include the industry and commerce. Then, what is industry? The term of industry refers to the part of the business activity which relates to the production, processing or fabrication of the products. The goods are called consumer goods if used by the final consumer and the capital or producer goods if used in a production of other goods. Then, on the basis of the type of goods produced, the industry are classified the various category. Its first is genetic industry, second extractive industry, third manufacturing industry, fourth is construction industry, and fifth is analytical industry, sixth synthetic industry, and seventh processing industry, and eighth assembling industry. Firstly, I will explain the genetic industry. Genetic industry is producing and multiplying the certain species of the plants and animal for the purpose of earning profit from their sale. Example of genetic industry is breeding farms and poultry farm. Second is extractive industry. Extractive industry is concerned with the extraction or drawing out the products from the natural source, such as soil, air or water. The example of extractive industry, oil exploration, forestry and agriculture. Third is construction industry. Construction industry is engaged in the construction of the roads, buildings, canals, bridge, dams, etc. Fourth is manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry is engaged in a production of goods wherein the raw materials or semi-manufacturing goods are converted into the finished product. Example of manufacturing industry is pharmaceutical industry. The manufacturing industry are subdivided into the many parts like analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry and assembling industry. First is analytical industry. Analytical industry is engaged in the manufacturing of the products by the analyzing and separating the different elements from the same material. For example of analytical industry is fractional distillation of the crude oil refinery industry. Synthetic industry is where two or more than two materials are mixed together in a manufacturing process to make a new product. Products like various chemical, drugs, soaps, cosmetic, fertilizers are produced by the synthetic industry. Processing industry is raw material are produced through the different stage of production or produce the final product. For example of drug, pharmaceutical industry, paper, sugar industry, etc. And the assembling industry, where is a part of the component are assembled to make a useful product. For example of assembling industry is production of the car, scooters, television and computer, etc. Thank you.